Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe the channel by pressing the subscribe button and press the bell. Cooking as an art form food. Cooking and whatever related to these themes are usually considered as an art because food is an everyday item that has a wide meaning for all people. Food can be considered as an art. For example, the decoration of a food, the way a food is constructed in the plate, or even the way many different food are being mixed in order to create a new food. Sometimes even people consider the arrangement of plates in a table as an art. This is called a table art. Culinary art is an art of the preparation and cooking of foods. The word culinary is defined as something related to or connecting with the cooking. Any customer worth their salt knows that good food is an art, but the term culinary art is more appropriate than when it applied to being a pastry chef. A culinary art is the art of cooking. Cooking is a process of preparing food and meals that will be eaten or the food served to other people. The word culinary is defined as something related to or connected with cooking or kitchen. People who are working in the culinary arts are known as culinarians. A person working in a restaurant is commonly known as a cook. The skillful preparation of food and meals that are as pleasing to the plate as to the eye is the responsibility of the culinary artist. Culinary artists require a lot of knowledge about the science of food they prepare and a good understanding of how diets and nutrition affect people in the preparation of their meals. Culinary artists work in a restaurant, hospitals, and other institutions where kitchen conditions vary depending on the type of business. The culinary art is comprised of many categories, some of which are tools, methods, combination of spices and ingredients that add flavor to the food. It normally needs the right measurement, proper selection, and accurate combination of ingredients involved to reach a desired result.